In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track macros with a Notion meal planner. If you're looking to streamline your nutrition tracking and planning, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to go to notion.so and log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, be sure to sign up. It's free and quite straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to Notion's versatile workspace, which will be transforming into your very own meal management powerhouse. The next step is to create a new page in Notion and name it Meal Planner. This page will serve as the central hub for all your meal planning activities. Think of it as your digital kitchen, where everything you need to organize your meals and track your macros comes together. Now let's create a recipes database. This database is where you'll store all your favorite recipes. Within this database, add columns to categorize your recipes. Helpful columns might include ingredients, calorie count, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats for each meal. Customizing these columns to fit your specific dietary needs will make the planner much more personalized and effective. Next, you'll want to create a meal plan table. This table will help you organize your meals for the week. Here, you should include columns for each day of the week, ensuring you have a clear view of what you'll be eating and when. Remember to link this table to your recipes database, allowing you to easily pull in the relevant nutritional information. Alongside your meal planning, it's important to have a grocery list database. This database makes it easy to compile a list of ingredients based on your meal plan. Feel free to add columns for the item name, quantity, and a checkbox to mark when an item has been purchased. This feature makes shopping so much easier and helps ensure you don't forget any essentials. Once you have these elements in place, the next step is to add daily totals. These totals will give you a quick snapshot of your daily macro intake. Calculating daily totals across your meals will help ensure you stay on track to meet your nutritional goals. Visual aids play a key role in understanding your nutrition at a glance, so I recommend using bar or progress bars for macro tracking. These bars offer visual representation of your progress, making it easy to see at a glance how close you are to meeting your daily macro goals. Adjusting these visual tools to match your dietary targets will create an intuitive system that keeps you motivated and informed. And there you have it, a comprehensive Notion meal planner designed to keep your nutrition on track. By following these steps, you'll have a customized planner that not only helps you track your macros, but also streamlines your meal planning process. Happy organizing!